Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call someone using Gmail in just minutes. This process is straightforward and I'll guide you step by step how to get started with ease. So first, open your Gmail on your computer and at the top right hand corner, go to Settings. So settings, we'll click on it. In the drop down menu, click on see all settings. Then in this settings menu, click on the tab chat and meet. So click on this. Here, make sure Google Chat is enabled. So mine was not enabled, so I'm just going to enable that now. We'll save changes. Okay, so from here now, we can see we can access our chat section here on the left side. So I'm just going to click. So from here, we're just going to click new chat. We're going to click on new chat. All right, and then we're going to type the person Gmail of which we want to have the conversation with. So I'm just going to type. Okay, so after typing the person's Gmail, we're just going to select. We're going to select the person and then click on Start Chat. Okay, click on Start Chat. So now we have created the chat windows now with our recipient. In my case, it's Anya Samuel. So up here now, we can simply start a video call. If I click on Start a video call. Okay, so now Google Meet. We're going to set this up. Okay. So now, as you can see, we're currently calling Anya Samuel. We're inviting him to the call. And there you have it. Now you're equipped to make calls directly from your Google Chat. It's fast, personal, and it's easy to stay connected right from your inbox. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.